Hello friends, my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old. And today I am at my brother's house and this is my brother.
Hi, my name is Tirthesh Patel. I am 11 years of old. Today I am showing activity of good conductor and bad conductor of electricity. I am in 6th standard and my brother in 5th standard. So let's start.
For this experiment we required a battery, black wire and red wire and a light. And we have to stick the light with a glue. Let's start the experiment.
We collect a bad conductor of electricity and good conductor of material. Let's start. This is compass, this is clay, this is hairpin and this is bearing.
This is sunglasses, this is the cap of the highlighter, this is a steel pen, a paper and a silver foil. So let's start the experiment! So when we join these two, the light is on. See if a pen is bad conductor of electricity or good conductor of electricity. Oh, the light is writing. That means the pen is a good conductor of electricity. Now I am touching the wire on the rubber grip. No, it is a bad conductor of electricity. Now let's see on sunglasses. No, bad conductor of electricity.
Now this.
It is bad conductor of electricity. Now my brother will show you bad or good conductor of electricity.
Let's start. Now I am taking paper hairpin so you can show it. It is good conductor of electricity. Now I am taking this clay. Okay, so clay is a bad conductor of electricity. Now I am taking this compass. No, it is bad conductor इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. अभी मैं ये ले रहा हूँ जो कि बेल्ट का आता है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. देखिए, it is good conductor of electricity.
So I am going to test if the leather belt is good conductor. No, it is conductor of electricity. Now we will test on silver foil. It is a good conductor of electricity. This is my mom's silver ring and I am going to test it if it's a good conductor or bad conductor. It is a good conductor. Now I am going to try on diamond. It is also a good conductor. Now I am going to try the triangular scale. It is a bad conductor. आपको मजा आया? हमको तो बहुत मजा आया है.
हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज थी हम वीडियो में नहीं दिखा सकते.
And that's for it today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.